Cicada coming out of its pupal cycle to go find a mate and make more cicadas. There's a fungus, by the way, that eats their booty or the back part of their body, and you'll see it if you see the cicada and it has like chalk on the back of his abdomen, but half the abdomen is gone, then the fungus got it. These guys stay in the ground for 16 years. When they pop up just like this, find a nice little place to bust through, to bust out, bust down, and this is the place this one chose to get. It's crazy. Yeah, but this is how they do. That's what a cicada do. Aboriginal nature boy.